Hello, hello, my name's Miri and today we are going to be opening 100 packs of Twilight Masquerade. Now, hope this goes okay. I'm going to do just a quick one, try and keep it as quick as possible. So, you know, hopefully not keep you here too long, but let's get cracking into them. So, let's go. Let's pray and hope. Okay, first hit, Mogapon World Max EX. Okay, cool. Let's leave that one up. Let's see how many hits we get today. I may have regretted doing 100 packs in one video, but here we go. Hey, yay. Ooh, foot Janelle. Whoa, now we're all mixed up, so let's see what we get. And a second hit, we have Ogapon Cornerstone. I feel like I'm going to see a lot of these Ogapons today. Have a feeling. Have a feeling. I like myself of being so gentle with my cards now. I'm just like, yep, seen them all. I guess you do get with that way with packs as you keep opening them. Trying to get the master set. Trying so hard. Ooh, Vessel Avy. I'm going to quickly start flicking through these because it was going to be a very, very long video. Just go to go. Da, 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 da. Okay. Yeah, I think I need that one. Cool. Ooh, looks very EX. Okay. Third hit. These boxes are all from an English website called Endgame. Highly do recommend them. Super good customer service, and so far they've been pretty lucky. So I'm gonna regret saying that probably, but we shall see. Need to get rhythm. So my aim is to try and get 50 subscribers in order to unlock the live streaming. So I will want to try and live stream instead of do recorded videos ideally. That would be the ideal scenario. No headset. Something shiny. Oh, there we go. Next hit is in Full Art Eevee. Welcome back. Let's go for the full arts. Cute, cute, cute. Eevee seems to like me, which I'm not going to complain of that. I'm not going to complain of that. A little bit of cleanup after this. Holy shit. Let's go. Oh my god. It's only taken me. Personally, since before I started streaming. Also, I've been making videos and oh my god. Okay. Okay. Hello. We finally meet. It has only taken me like 5 booster boxes. Like 5, 6 booster boxes. Oh my god. Hi. Oh my god, let's go. Let's fucking go. Ooh, excuse my language. Pretty good. Pretty good. The corner seemed quite good. That could be PSA 10. I don't know. Let's go. Let's fucking go. In fact, you know what? This is going to be put in a big one. Double sleeved in my big one. Let's go. There you go, little guy. Okay, moving on. That is made my day 100%. It is, so the day I'm actually recording this video is actually on the first Pokemon Go Fest day, so global. So I'm actually pre-recording this video before it actually goes out, just because life gets in the way during the week. That is Pokemon Go luck. I'm still in shock. I'm still in shock. That's what I wanted. That's what I wanted so bad. Don't know how to get the other ones I want, but that is definitely a box ticked for my... Okay, we've got full art. There's definitely a box ticked for my full collection. And next hit, we've got the full art watch roll, which unfortunately I already do have for my collection, but you'll be sleeved up anyway, my beauty. Very nice, very, very nice art. Take a look at it. Of real watch rolls diving. Very, very cute. Very, very nice. Like the little sheen on it. There's my bow. I'm still looking for a few proper full arts of the trainers, but we shall see. I think that Greninja is just going to be my luck for the day. Although I do see another Greninja. Hello, you are blessing me today. You are not your full art, but I will. Okay, we have Greninja look today. Let's go. So I said past my shinies and my normals. Oh. Nothing there. I'm just going to randomly start selecting cards now. Randomly start selecting cards now. Okay, Survival Brace, 90s and Vulpix. Don't know if I got this one or not. I can't remember if I pulled this one on the last one. I think I did. I'll sleeve up. I'm going to class this as a pull, as like a mini pull. I guess it's kind of a pull. Yeah, I'm popping the pull. It's not a full art on it yet. I think an ace is a pull, so there's not many of them. And it is a starry one, so I presume. Can we get 2 Greninja full arts? That is a question. I highly doubt it. I will take a... Is it Nimona? No, not Nimona. Perrin. I really like the Perrin full art. I think I've explained my love for Perrin before. Sorry if those of OCD who are just screaming picking on different file packs. Ooh, hello. Okay. I'm glad for this one. I went to the car show today where I got some things. I almost bought this one, and I'm glad I didn't. Oh my god. You are new. Hello, welcome to the team. These shiny borders always trick me because I feel like it's going to be like something big and it's like, nope, nope, not big. Nothing there. Oh, another race, I see that. Hiding along there. That's not fun. Cool, cool, cool. Oh, yeah, the same one I got later. Okay. It's a Jeep, but we'll take it as a hit. Ooh, hiding away. There we go. Palafin EX. I'm getting quite a few hits. Like, I've got 100 packs to open, but still, like, I'm not even like most of the way through. Although I did kind of miss 4 mix all the booster boxes up, so they're all in like different piles. I think this one's like, I think that one's like from, so that's first box, that's second box, and this is third box, and it was just of that one because I had slightly over 100. I've got to divide up. I managed to get a free code. Anyone who plays online TCG, does anyone actually play online TCG? I haven't really got into it. I just like opening packs. I don't actually play TCG, so I just like the fact of opening the packs. It's just so satisfying. Like, I play gacha games on the side, so, you know, typical Genshin, Woowa, HSR. So this is just like, it's basically IRL gacha, essentially. Although a bit more worth your time than, oh, okay, more worth your time than putting into little pixels, which then when the game dies out, unfortunately won't be really worth much. Ogerpon. I think I've got, I think it's the third Ogerpon I've had. I think I need one more. I think I need a green one left. Which I haven't seen the green one yet, actually. That's the only Ogerpon I think I haven't seen yet for my collection. So we're looking for the green Ogerpon. Looking for the green Ogerpon. Pretty please. Pretty please. Wrong Perrin. Ooh! We are getting lucky with the hits today, guys. Dragapult EX. Okie dokie. That is a new one for me, so that is a good one for my collection. Yay, welcome. I'm going to try and frame this video to be half an hour, but I feel like it's going to be slightly over. I'm trying to make an hour long video like the first one. Wrong Ogerpon. Wrong Ogerpon. Oh, another hit with the Mag Cargo EX. Sleeve him up. There you go. There you go, buddy. Another hit back to back of the full art of a Wellspring Max 01. Unfortunately, I think I already have this one. Yeah, I think I already have this one, unfortunately. I'm looking for the Earth and the normal Ogerpon, the grass one. feel like all the energy went out on that one. And now it's like, okay. And let's go pull another one. But I prefer the full art of the trainers. It seems to be rarer. That's a full art. Here we go. Okay, yep. New one. Haven't got before. Nice for my master collection. Nice little pincer. Very cute. I don't actually like Pincer, the actual character, but his art's cute. Let's go to the next one. Some packs just open, some packs just done. Oh. Here we go. Ooh, never hit. Definitely only double hits so far, which is good. Unless it's Greninja, which I would not. I would not complain a double hit of a Greninja. I am fed up with seeing Tingling. Tingling just seems to be literally everywhere. It's like I feel like for this pack, it's like the Troll. I feel like the Troll one, 100%. 100% the Troll one for this pack. 100%. Around this one as well. Tinglu and him seem to team up to attack me personally. I feel that's how I feel anyway. That's just how I feel about this set. Shiny, thunder shiny. Ooh, next hit. The Blissey EX. Very nice. I don't think I pulled this one in the last video. But I do already have some personal pulls on my own. But I've just decided to, as I'm pulling, I may as well just record it. Because, like, no harm in it. And it kind of, like, reminds me of, you know, what I've pulled. It's actually now managed to get, how lucky I managed to get in some things. Just a record for myself. And to show you guys as well, whoever is willing to watch and listen to my dull dose of tones. It wasn't until I started recording I realised like how boring I do actually sound. So I do apologise for that, because I'm not exactly the most entertaining talker. Maybe it's a microphone, but sometimes. Ooh. I'm sorry. I've been waiting for that one. I know it's not a pull, but I know I need it. go in the pile of hollows, but it's sleeved so I know it's there. Actually. But yeah. I'm not like charismatic or anything like those big YouTubers you see. Ooh. But I do try. May as well film it while I'm pulling. Chimicho, hello. Another full art, another gorgeous full art as well. I already have you, but you are pretty, and you are colder, and you are classed as a hit. So we will take you. Oh, I do want to be able to live stream this eventually. I do. Because then at least I'll have someone to talk to, or hopefully, and between me, myself and I. Cool. Those two back to back, taunting me. Let me use up those in a while. Could do with some more full arts because I'm not getting the ones I want. Ooh, okay, yeah, I need that one. Ain't the shiny, been looking for it for a while. May have already pulled it without realising. That was more open than it needed to be. Have all of those ones. I haven't got any golds yet. Now that may change, but I doubt it. Okay, this video is going to be over half an hour. So feel free to skip to the end if you would like. So you can listen to the ASMR of me opening packs. Ooh, hello. Next hit. Let's go. Infernape full art. That is pretty cool. Infernape full art. I think I already have this one, but he is pretty cool. The camera does not give it justice for the colours. Colours are a lot brighter. IRL will make art on the camera, unfortunately. But yeah, I think I already have this one, but he is pretty cool. The camera does not give it justice for the colours. Colours are a lot brighter. IRL will make art on the camera, unfortunately. 'Cause I think I already have this one, but he is pretty cool. until I get a better one anyway. Very nice, very, very nice. Don't feel any back-to-back hits so far. But I am playing around with different card tiles. And I did kind of randomise them. Wait. Blah, 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 blah. Ooh, there's a back-to-back. Just on saying that. Still looking for, I seem to have a lot of duplicate full arts, which is not great. You can eat that one. Just gonna slip it up. Nada. Absolute nada. Ooh, Hyperaroma hit. And classically, so those hits. And unfortunately, I do have this one. I think I'm only missing one ace. Apologies, guys. So, my camera unfortunately had a bit of a hiccup just then. So, apologies if the video may be a little bit disjointed. I'll try my best to keep it still as all one video, but it may end up in 2 parts. I'm kind of hoping it doesn't. Ooh, I need you. Finally! Fucking finally! Hello! And it's not fault, but it's fault for me because I've been looking for that for ages. Wrong one. There's the fire one. Did we get this one? I think I did. I got it earlier. We'll find out when we count up at the end of the thing. I got so many normies. The temple is so sorting through all these afterwards. Not. Hello, you're back again. My first duplicate. You could have been a full art Perrin. You could have been a full art Perrin. You had so much potential. You had so much potential. You squandered it by being a duplicate. And you got one. You're a hit technically. I'm going to pull another full art Greninja just because then I have my master set and one I can send off. Come on, give me two of you. Oh, full art Perrin. Whatever trainer one seemed to be so much more rare this time around. Pokemon. Wow, there's so much more. Apologies for everything in the background. I have people around at the moment. Ooh, you are new. Hello. Finally, something I haven't got before the full art. Hi. This is the Iron Thorns EX. Very cool. Very dinosaur-like. And another duplicate. You could have had potential. I'm going out of sleeves. I'm going out of sleeves. All these big ones anyway, I may have to re-sleeve them later. Where is the full art Pokemon? Where is it? Give it to me. My full art of my trainers and my full art of my... Where are you? You're hiding away from me deliberately. That is not you. You are a Screamtail EX. That is not what I meant. I'll do another hunter at some point. I see a gold. Let's go. You are not my character, but I will take you. This is the full art rescue board. Very nice, very golden, very shiny. Looks like it's about to kill me. Hey, okie dokie. Full art Ogre Pawn EX Heat Flame. Not the full art we wanted, but it is something new for me personally, so I will take it. I will not frown on that one. Anything to complete my master collection. Anything to complete my master collection. Ooh, there's no Greninja. Not the Greninja I wanted, but we will take it. Wrong Greninja. Wrong Greninja. So we'd be being a bit greedy if I got two of them in these packs. But you never know. We are slowly getting down, slowly dwindling. There's only one pack now. And another duplicate, just going to EX. I'm going to lay these down. Alright, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 packs, fully shuffled. Just pray and hope. We're praying and hoping failed. These are going to be dead, aren't they? You know, just for feeling. But you never know. Feelings could be wrong. It's going to be a troll. Yeah, it's a troll wrong. Oh, I see a duplicate. Oh, it's not a duplicate. Oh. I thought you were what troll again. Hello, Fionn. Fionn? I'm coming up Fionn. That is new for me. That is cute. Look at it. It's really over. Is it Realmers and Real Lord? Oh my god, that's so cute. That is actually really, really, really pretty. I'll pop you in a proper sleeve later. In a normal, release one for now. That is very, very cute. Still looking for my Perrin. Still looking for my Perrin. you, Perrin? Where are you? You're not in this set, are you? Come to me, Perrin, come to me, please. Pretty, 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 please. I just had a catastrophe. Oh, you're not Perrin. You are not Perrin, but I don't think I had you before. Maybe I have. Hello, Lana. Lana's Aid. But you're not Perrin. You are a trainer full art. You're my first trainer full art, Lana's Aid. But you're not my Perrin. Wrong Perrin. Three more packs left. I doubt my parents are going to be in here now. Just got this feeling. Just got this feeling, guys. My parent is not going to be in here. Okay. Back to back. And you are new, so I will happily have you. Where's my Perrin? Come on, come on, come on. The trainer full arts are coming out, but they are not my pen. Give it a And my last pack. Will you be a hitter? Will you not? Will you give me my Perrin? Oh please, oh please, oh please, oh please, oh please. No, I got infinite. Well, that is all of my packs open. Let's have a look of how many hits we got. So we got So we got Lucian, full art, trainer, Poltergeist, or Poltergeist, don't know, I presume Poltergeist, full art of Lana's Aid, trainer form, full art of Fiona, it's very, very pretty, that one, Screamtail EX, Greninja EX, Ogre EX, full art. Our only gold card from the 100 packs, our rescue board. Another Screamtail EX. A Dragapult EX. A full art Iron Fawns EX. Legacy Energy Ace. Synergy EX. Heath Flame, Half Flame, Mask Ogerpon EX. Hyperaroma Ace. Another Dragapult EX. Infinite Full Art. Chimecho Full Art. Blissey EX. Another Sinistcha EX. Pinsir Full Art. Wellspring Mask Ogerpon EX Full Art. Magcargo EX. Dragapult EX Full Art. Half-Flame Mask Ogerpon EX. Palafin EX. Survival Brace Ace. Sinistcha EX Full Art. Very nice. Another Survival Brace Ace. Another Greninja EX. The Watchful Full Art. The Eevee Full Art. Luxray EX. The only one we had to the Earth Ogerpon. The Cornerstone Max Ogerpon EX. And a Wellspring Max Ogerpon EX. So literally, the only Ogerpon we haven't seen is the one I need. Which is the main one on the front of the box, which is on this card here, which is the Teal Mask Ogerpon. One day we'll get your cards. Today's not our day. Well, oh, and of course, sorry, our Masterful Greninja EX, which is pulled very early on. And kind of still was so show for me because we've been after doing this for a long time. A long time. I ended up triple sleeving it, so it's got the close to skin suit almost card sleeve, then it's got the loose card sleeve on top of it, the penny one, and then the third one on top of that, which is the widget top loaders. So yes, I'm going to put a magnetic one. You know what? Let's pop it in a magnetic one because it's just that special to me personally. So here is the magnetic ones. I'm sure I have to open these ones. There we go. So you know what? Maybe just pop it in here because it is just that good. In you go, little buddy. We'll fix it up later. There we go. In all of its Greninja glory. So that's something to read about. And that is that, guys. So until the next time, see you later. Bye.